Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, and everyone requested to please
Good afternoon, sir.
Everyone requested to please come with your name as well as your proper student ID. For today's class, I am only considering you people, those who are not coming with proper student ID. But from tomorrow onwards, I will not take them in the classes. Those who are not coming with the student name as well as student ID.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, we shall wait for 1 and 2 minutes to join others. After that, we will start our class. And all of you are requested to mute yourselves.
Hello, sir.
हेलो
हेलो सर.
हाँ बोलो.
सर कब से चल रहे हैं? मेरा ज्वाइन ही नहीं हो रहा था.
Robert.
नो सर, विपुल कुमार.
Vipul Kumar, I have already admitted you. Already I have admitted all of you. Only Robert Tika is not connecting here.
सर क्या क्यों रहे हो?
I have found Vipul Kumar is here.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
रवि सोनकर बोल रहा हूँ.
Okay.
Good afternoon.
All of you request yourselves.
हम लोग अभी
So we shall wait for 1 and 2 minutes to join others. After that, we will start our class. Myself, Ujjwal Ghosh, I will take your mathematics class for first semester.
आपका वीडियो ठीक नहीं है।
I think there is something. Okay, now today is the introductory class. So I think hope all of you are well. So before going to the class, we shall start some introduction from you people. Most of you are coming from class class 10, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that means you have already got the trigonometry, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So for the trigonometry,
sir.
there was
Yes, sir.
trigonometrical ratio.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Listen to me. There was 6 trigonometrical ratios was there. Like number 1, it was sine, then cos, then tan, cosec, sec, cot. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So before going to the class today, I want to start the trigonometrical ratios. How to find out this trigonometrical ratio? Some of the basic knowledge that is called the prerequisite knowledge already you have gathered from your class 10 syllabus. So I shall wait for just 1 minute to join others. After that, I'll start our class. Okay, we shall start our class.
Yes, sir.
Is my board is visible to all of you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
सर बोर्ड नहीं दिख रहा है।
सर आपका आवाज भी क्लियर नहीं आ पा रहा।
सर आपका फोटो भी नहीं है।
नहीं आ रहा सर, वीडियो भी नहीं आ रहा, ना आवाज ही आ रहा।
कुछ नहीं है।
कुछ नहीं आ रहा है सर।
सर आवाज नहीं आ
सर आवाज और पिक्चर भी नहीं आ रहा है।
The board is not visible to you.
अभी आ रहा है सर। आया सर, दिख रहा है।
Board is visible to all
कट
of you.
गया।
चलाइए
Board
सर।
is visible to all of you. Please, all of you,
Mic
mute
mute
yourself.
करिए।
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
Okay, we are going to learn the trigonometrical ratios. Some ratios is theta with the angle, then sin theta. Sin theta means
सर नहीं आ रहा है।
बोर्ड नहीं दिख रहा है सर।
सभी लोग बोल रहा तो नहीं।
सर कुछ दिख भी नहीं रहा, आवाज भी नहीं आ रहा। सर कुछ नहीं दिख रहा।
that means
सब पहले
connection is very poor.
सर आपका आवाज भी क्लियर नहीं आ रहा और फिर बोर्ड भी नहीं।
क्लियर से साफ आ रही
It is
है।
your general problem. This problem
रहा है,
is
तुम
going to
बोलो।
all of you. Is this general problem?
Yes, sir.
वॉइस क्लियर नहीं आ रहा है सर।
हाँ सर।
I think my board is very clear and their network is very strong.
सर सबको अपने आप को म्यूट करने बोलिए सर, दिक्कत हो रहा। यस सर, सभी को माइक म्यूट करने बोलिए।
Now the board is visible as well as
यस सर, विजिबल है।
sin theta. Sin theta means perpendicular by hypotenuse. Cos theta means
D by H।
base by
Oh,
hypotenuse.
hypotenuse.
base by B
भैया
बोर्ड
म्यूट
नहीं दिख रहा है सर।
by H.
These are the three basic trigonometrical ratios. Sin theta means perpendicular by hypotenuse, cos theta means base by hypotenuse, and tan theta means perpendicular by base.
base.
Now the inverse of sin theta we know that cosec. Cosec theta means
Hypotenuse by perpendicular.
yes sir, hypotenuse by perpendicular.
Hypotenuse by perpendicular, sir.
हाइपोटेन्यूज में परपेंडिकुलर।
sec means the hypotenuse by base.
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 And tan-
बेस।
अरे भाई तुम लोग माइक बंद कर रहे हैं।
माइक ऑफ कर दो भाई।
तो कुछ नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है सर।
कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे
माइक
रहा।
ऑफ करो सब।
पहले तुम लोग तो मैं कौन तो करूँ।
अरे भाई सब अनम्यूट कर दो।
all of you
म्यूट करने बोलिए।
दे रहा।
board is very clear to all of you.
तुम लोग ऐसे क्यों कर रहे हो भाई, डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है यार।
Board is very clear to all of you. Please don't
यहाँ सर,
interrupt
यहाँ
the
सर।
classes.
ओ सर।
यहाँ सर सही क्लियर है, लेकिन सब इन लोग गड़बड़ा दे रहा है।
भाई कोई एक बंदा बोलना भाई। हेलो भाई कोई एक बंदा बोलना।
भाई जो भी बोलना है मैसेज से बोलो ना।
Those who are not
म्यूट
getting
रखो भाई
clear,
साहब।
listen to me. Those who are not getting clear, that means network issues of them. This problem is not getting here. Okay, so these are the basic fundamental ratios of trigonometry. Now, some angle of the trigonometrical ratios already we have found in our class 10 syllabus. Can I remove the board?
यस सर।
यस सर।
भाई म्यूट बंद कर दो ना यार।
माइक ऑफ करो ना यार, कुछ नहीं दिखाई दे रहा।
कौन हो ब्रो, ये क्यों कर रहे हो यार, डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है।
भाई जो भी बोलना है मैसेज से बोलो ना यार।
Yet I have not started the class.
अरे यार म्यूट कौन किया है।
सर आप ही सबको अनम्यूट म्यूट कर दीजिए ना।
Just a minute. Okay, here some trigonometrical ratios and some angles which are known to us. That is 0 degree. Sin 0 degree means 0, na? Sin 30 equal to half. Sin 45 1 by root 2. Sin 60 root 3 by 2. Sin 90 1. For cos 0 1, cos 30 root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, cos 60 half, cos 90 0. Now for 10, 10 0 0, 10 30 1 by root 3, 10 45 1, 10 60 root 3, and 10 90 undefined. For the cosec, cosec 0 undefined, cosec 30 is equal to 2, cosec 45 is equal to root 2, and cosec 60 2 by root 3, and cosec 90 equal to 1. For sec 0 1, sec 30 2 by root 3, sec 45 root 2, then sec 60 degree means 2, and sec 90 degree undefined. And for cot it is reversed to 10, cot 0 undefined, cos 30 degree is equal to root 3, cos 45 and cot 45 1, and cot 60 equal to 1 by root 3, and cot 90 1090 undefined, so cot 90 is equal to 0. These are the trigonometrical values of some well-known angle like 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. That is known to you. Is it known to you? Some of you please make your answer in chat box. Okay, so these are already well known to us. So now we are going to learn some advanced thing, how to measure the trigonometrical angles. How to measure the trigonometrical angles. I just want to remove this one. Generally, trigonometrical angles are measured into anti-clockwise, it is quality. If this is the angle theta, taking into the anti-clockwise direction means in which direction clock is rotated, it is reverse of that. That is called the anti-clockwise direction. Then it is take as the positive angle. When it is rotated into the clockwise direction, then it is called the negative angle. This is the one of the main thing of measure of trigonometrical angles. Measure of trigonometrical angles, when it is anti-clockwise, then it is positive. When it is clockwise, then it is negative. Note it. Anti-clockwise implies that positive, and clockwise implies that negative. Right? When the angle is given anti-clockwise, then it is positive angle. When the angle is taken as clockwise, then it is negative angle. Now, here are 4 coordinates we know that 4 quadrant for our system. Here all the x and y both are the plus. So this first quadrant is plus plus, second quadrant is minus plus, third quadrant is minus minus, and fourth quadrant is plus minus. Any point which is situated into the first quadrant, that point x and y, the coefficient of x, y both are positive. Any point, those who are situated on the second quadrant with some x, y, then x should be negative, y should be positive. Any point which is situated into the third quadrant, both of the x and y coefficients should be negative. And for the fourth quadrant, x should be positive, y should be negative. These are the 4 coordinates in our coordinate system, Cartesian system. This is called the Cartesian system. And basis on the trigonometrical angle, there are 4 coordinates. Coordinates are segregated into the 4 parts. That is, by the trigonometrical angle, look at here, in the first quadrant, all trigonometrical force are positive. So here all trigonometrical ratios are positive. Already we have find out from the given data in previous table, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. These are into the first quadrant. We know that the x-axis and y-axis mutually perpendicular to each other. That means each of the quadrants are measured at the 90 degree angle. So from 0 to 90 degree, if we take the anti-clockwise direction, then 0 to 90 degree, this is the first quadrant. Total first quadrant. So for the first quadrant, this is the first quadrant. First quadrant. Angle is 0 degree to 90 degree. Now for the second quadrant. Here the angle is 90 degree to 180 degree. Here to here, total angle is 90 degree to 180 degree. All of these are 90 degree. For the third quadrant, it is 180 degree to 270 degree. And for the fourth quadrant, it is 270 degree to 360 degree. These are the angle. In first quadrant, when 0 to 90 degree, all the trigonometrical ratios are positive. In second quadrant, that means angle between 90 to 180, only sine and cosine. These are positive. Sine and cosine is positive into the second. For the third, tan and cot are positive. And into the fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive. So, in short, we know for the first, second, third, fourth quadrant, here these are 180 to 270 and these are 270 to 360. So, in general, it is known as first quadrant all positive, so it is called all. For second quadrant, sine and cosec are positive, it is called sine quadrant. Third quadrant, tan and cot are positive, it is called tan. and fourth quadrant cos and sec are positive, it is called cos. So it is all sin tan cos. According to our all sin tan cos. This is anti-clockwise direction. Okay. So in this anti-clockwise direction, it is measured for the trigonometrical angle. So for the first quadrant, all trigonometrical ratios are positive. In second quadrant, sin and cosec is positive. Third quadrant, tan and cot are positive, and fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive. So you have to remember this system, right? So when we taking total one circular angle is 360 degree. We know that for the trigonometry we can find out the more than 360 degree also. Rotating the circle once more than one time. If we rotate this, the angle should be increases in this trigonometrical system. So is it clear to all of you? Okay, then we shall go for the next part, how to measure the trigonometrical angle. It is completed. Now we are going to measure some angles. To measure the angle, there are two systems. Generally, we find out one is circular system where the unit of the angle is degree. Number one, it is circular system. Unit of angle is degree. Number two, radian. Unit of angle is radian. Now, degree already we know that. For the radian, we know that generally. Now we are going for the relation. Relation between degree and radian. We are going to learn about the relation between degree and radian. Generally, radian is denoted as C. Pi C is equal to 180 degree. This is the relation. Pi C, C is the symbol of radian. Pi C is equal to 180 degree. This is the relation between degree and radian. Okay. Now we are going to convert some degree to radian and radian to degree. Here the circular system whose unit of angle is degree. For the radial system whose unit of angle is the radian. So 270 degree is equal to 3 pi by 2. Some of you give the answer. It is the correct answer. 3 pi by 2. So the next one. What is the value of 60 degree in radian? Actually, we know that 180 degree is equal to pi radian. So 1 degree is equal to pi radian by 180 degree. And 270 degree is equal to pi into 270 degree by 180 degree. So degree cut, 0, 0 cut, 2 it is 3. So it is coming 3 pi by 2. So the value of 270 degree which is given into the degree in radian, value of that is equal to 3 pi by 2. When we go for the value of 60 degree, again we know that 180 degree is equal to pi radian. So 1 degree equal to pi radian by 180 degree. So 60 degree is equal to pi into 60 degree by 180 degree. So it cut and 3 it is coming pi by 3. Pi by 3 is the value of 60 degree. So by the same way, we can find out the value of 45 degree. That will be coming as
pi by 4.
pi by 4. And for 90 degree, it will be coming pi by 2.
pi by 2.
Pi by 2 for the 90 degree. It is the converting from degree to radian. Now we can converting this one radian to degree, right? Now take some problem where we have to convert the given problem into radian, from radian to degree. Can I remove this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
सर समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
यूनिटरी मेथड
हाँ सर,
समझ में नहीं आता है.
सर बोर्ड पे क्लियर पिक्चर भी नहीं दिख रहा है.
समझ में नहीं आ रहा है सर.
यूनिटरी मेथड तुमको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो क्लास 7 में जाके दाखिल हो जाओ. Those who don't know the unitary method. Here it is clear cut given one unitary method. If it is not understood by you, then you have to go to class 7. It is quite impossible to given all those things. Every time.
Sir, I understood full. Sir, I understood.
Understood, sir.
It is not a fun class.
सर मैं
Some of
कॉपी
you
में
are.
किया, रिमूव किए.
Okay. Just a minute, I will take your attendance. So all of you please on your video. All of you please on your video.
हाँ सर बोलिए.
All of you.
यहाँ सर बोलिए सर.
Rajkishore Das, please on your video. Ayush Mukherjee, on your video. All of you, please on your video. Akash Kumar, Ayush Mukherjee, Aniket Kumar. अनिकेत कुमार पासवान,
सर कैमरा ऑन नहीं हो रहा सर, रुकिए सर हम फिर से ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं फिर करते हैं।
ओके।
ओके सर।
विनीत कुमार, अमित कुमार, सूरज,
आवाज क्यों नहीं आ रहा सर?
सर कुछ नहीं दिख रहा, ना आपका फोटो ना वॉइस भी नहीं आ रहा आपका।
नहीं दिख रहा है सर कुछ।
okay, one of you please take the attendance screenshot and send to me. Take the screenshot and send to me. Okay.
सर सबको स्क्रीनशॉट ले।
नहीं नहीं सर, सिर्फ एक तो लेके भेज दो ना सर को।
कोई एक लेके सर को स्क्रीनशॉट भेज दो।
कोई
सर कोई एक भेज दे रहा सर आपको।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, कोई एक भेज दो।
अटेंडेंस लिस्ट किया।
सर रुकिए भेज दे रहे हैं, स्क्रीनशॉट ले रहे हैं।
एक दो मिनट बाद, अच्छा एक दो मिनट बाद ये मीटिंग कट जाएगा, फिर से इसमें ज्वाइन कर लेना, ठीक है?
ठीक है सर।
ठीक है सर।
40 मिनट की पीरियड हो।
40 मिनट के बाद फिर 20 मिनट करना है।
सर स्क्रीनशॉट भेज दे क्या?
Okay, Vinit Kumar,
हेलो
your camera is not okay, so you can leave it.
सर स्क्रीनशॉट अभी भेज दे।
स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं आ रहा है।
भेज दो।
स्क्रीनशॉट आ गया, बोल रहे हैं अभी भेज दे, अभी सेंड कर दे क्या स्क्रीनशॉट?
हाँ भाई।
Okay, so after 1 minute it will be cut. We'll rejoin again. So in our this kind of the system, there are very much network problem, any other thing these are occurred, but don't make it issue. Generally it is occurred.